Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jer Calyora and you're watching Informa TV. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Gmail account. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing that you're going to need to do is in your browser, open your browser and then type gmail.com, and then this will take you to the account creation of your Gmail. Alright, so as you can see, I have listed other my email accounts right here, and then you can remove an account, and then you can have an option also that use another account. Right, let's go and choose that one. Right, since we are talking about how to create our Gmail account, go ahead and click on this thing right here, which is create an account. Right, and then you have to make a option to create a email for yourself or to create an email to manage your business. Right, so for this demonstration, I'm gonna choose create an account for myself. Right, so on this page you're going to fill in your information, your first name, your last name, and then your username, and then your password. Right, so I'm gonna type in my information right there. So Forma TV, and Informative TV at gmail.com, and then password. So basically for the password is that it's a minimum or of 8 characters with a mix of letters and numbers and symbols. Right, so you may want to make your password secure. Right, and then save it to your local drive, or you can send it to your Facebook account, or you can save it to your SMS. It doesn't matter where to save it as long as you remember your password. Right, and then once you're happy with all those things, you can just basically click on next. As you can see, my username is taken, so I'm gonna choose other username. So let's say Forma TV suggestions right here. So let's make it 14. Then click on next. It's taken as well. So let's make it Informa TV3. Right. Alright. So Google will notify you if you will save your number or not. So since I want to save my number, I'm gonna save my number. That way I won't worry anymore if I lose the password. Right, and then for the verification recovery, then you can add your phone number right here. In this case, I'm gonna add my phone number. I'm gonna find in my cell phone the phone number that I have. Alright, so and then your recovery email address. Right, so I'm gonna email address right here, and then your birth date. Right, so birth date. It's really important that the information you have entered in here is true and correct, because in the future purposes they will ask you this information if you forgot your credentials. Right, so it's really important that you keep it correct. Right, and then your gender, and then click on next. So Google will verify your contact number by sending you an SMS. So you may want to double check your contact number before sending, and then once you have checked it that is correct, then you can basically just click on send, and then this will allow you to receive the verification code, which is this one right here. So you'll be receiving this code to your contact number that you provided in here, right? Then verify the contact number. Other information right here, you can read this information, but for now I'm gonna skip this, and then scroll down, and then you have to agree the privacy and terms and conditions. Alright, so that's basically how easy it is to create your Gmail account. I'm not really sure what happened right there, but we're sorry about your Gmail account is temporarily. We apologize for the inconvenience. We can just try again in a few minutes. We can view this part. Let's try again and sign out. I'm not really sure what happened right there. Let's try again, sign out. Alright, so I'm not sure what happened right there, but I have already created my account right there. So as you can see, I'm here inside of my email account. So if you're going to click on this right here, you can see my username, my name, and then my username email address right here. Alright, so that's basically how easy it is to create a Gmail account. Then the Gmail account you have created is also connected to other places like YouTube, Play Store, Google Drive, Google Maps, and then Calendar, and many other extension of Google right here. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you have learned something in this video, and bye for now.